Good morning on this beautiful Tuesday morning, and we got a new little song for you, and it's going to be one of these low stress, very pretty songs. It's Can't Help Lovin' That Man from Showboat. So I just want to give you a very small little educational commentary, and then we'll get straight to the music. First off, Showboat, as you know, one of the most popular musicals ever written. I believe it was written about 1927. Yeah, copyright 1927. And this was Hammerstein, who I guess this is before he worked with Richard Rodgers. This was an early phase. His composer colleague was Jerome Kern. And I just want to say a few things about this. First of all, about Oscar Hammerstein. I'm a little bit confuddled because here it says words by Oscar Hammerstein II. Now, maybe there's more than one Oscar Hammerstein because every other place I've seen him referred to as Oscar Hammerstein 11. Now, I don't know if Oscar Hammerstein II and Oscar Hammerstein 11 is the same person or not, but that's something I can't answer. I'll have to look into it. If anybody has any insight, I'd like to hear about it. The second thing about Jerome Kern. Now, if you ever saw the Showboat, if you ever saw the movie called Till the Clouds Roll By, which was made in the something like 1948 or something like that, I think. It was a biography of Jerome Kern, and the star of that show, whose name was Robert Walker, is a relative of mine. And there's a whole other story about Robert Walker. Sometime I'd like to tell it. It's a tragic story. It's also interesting, and actually it's part of my family history. I won't get into that now. I just want to throw that out to whet your appetite for some future discussion. Okay, so that all said, now we're going to hear Can't Help Lovin' That Man from Showboat. Oh, listen, sister, I love my Mr. Man, and I can't tell you why. There ain't no reason why I should love that man. It must be something that the angels don't plan. The chimney's smoking, the roof is leaking in, but he don't seem to care. He can be happy with just a sip of gin. I even loves him when his kisses the chin. Fish gotta swim and birds gotta fly. I gotta love one man till I die. Hand, loving that man of mine. Tell me he's lazy, tell me he's slow, tell me I'm crazy, maybe I know. Can't help loving that man of mine. It's a rainy day, and when he comes back, that is fine. The sun will shine. He can come home as late as can be. Home without him ain't no home to me. Can't help loving that man of mine. Isn't that a pretty song? And there's a lot more where that came from. Showboat and all them old-fashioned musicals. I love them all. Most of them. But I do love Showboat. And that's our offering for today. And I hope you have a fine day on this Tuesday and other days too. And that's a goodbye now from Grandpa Pete's piano and sing-along, or whatever you want to call it, hour. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you soon, I hope.